Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Range Rover Velar in neutral. First, make sure your Velar is on a flat surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Then, with your foot still on the brake, press the engine start/stop button without pressing the brake again to turn on the ignition, but do not start the engine. This prepares the vehicle for the next steps. With the ignition on and your foot still on the brake, locate the rotary gear selector. Gently rotate the selector to the N position for neutral. You should see the letter N illuminate on the gear selector and also appear on your instrument panel display, confirming the selection. Once confirmed, you can slowly release the brake pedal. The vehicle is now in neutral. It's important to remember that neutral is primarily for short-distance movement or towing. For longer towing, always refer to your Range Rover Velar's owner's manual for specific instructions and limitations. In situations where the vehicle loses power, there might be an emergency neutral release procedure, which is also detailed in your manual. Always prioritize safety and proper procedures. Always ensure the parking brake is fully engaged before exiting your Velar, especially when it's in neutral. This prevents unintended movement and ensures safety. Regular maintenance, like checking fluid levels and tire pressure, keeps your Velar running smoothly. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.